In this quick video, I want to show you the power of the D'Alembert system whilst playing Dice. Now, Dice has one of the lowest house edges on a casino game that you can find. It's just a 1% house edge. Now, with the D'Alembert system, what's interesting is that theoretically, the longer you play, the more chance you have of winning money if you set it up properly. That's because over time, you'd expect your wins and losses to be pretty much the same. Obviously, there's that 1% house edge, so not exactly the same. But if we get slightly unlucky, we can still make some money. So let me show you how to set it up. I'm having a $5 starting bet. There's only two conditions, super easy. Every one win, we are going to subtract the amount that we bet by 25 cents. And on every loss, we're going to increase the amount that we bet by 25 cents. So I've gone for a 5% increase or decrease. So a $5 bet, we're increasing by 5%, we're decreasing by 5%. 2x multiplier, super easy. I'm actually going to do 800 spins, okay? Rather than a profit target this time, we're going to play it for 800 spins. What we ideally want to see is 400 wins, 400 losses. And with these probabilities, it should be there or thereabouts. We might get unlucky, we might get lucky. Let's start the auto bet and see how this performs. So you can see the bet amount increasing and decreasing by 25 cents each time. You can't really leave this one and go because you might run into a situation where you get very lucky and your bets come down 25 cents, come down 25 cents, and keep on coming down. And therefore you're betting nothing. But that's a nice problem to run into. I don't think we're going to run into that. It might happen, it might not. So we can see at the start here, we're not doing too great. We've lost 85, won 78. So we're on the unlucky side. But we're going to pay attention to those stats. Okay, here we are. If I just go back to those stats, we are basically even on wins and losses, and we are well, we're not anymore, but at one point we were $31 in profit with the exact amount of wins and losses. You can also have a good idea of how lucky you've been based on your bet amount. So if that bet amount at the end of this is $5, we know that we've won and lost the exact same amount. Now we can actually hit a $100 profit here, which I normally do just 100 spins and I'll walk, sorry, $100 profit and I'll walk away. I want to run this for around 800 spins just to give you a bigger overview, like how well this can do over time. So we are like not getting extra lucky. 205 wins, 200 losses, and we're $91 in profit. So we'd expect this to play out. We are on the slightly lucky side now. $100 profit. If I was playing the normal way, I would have called it a day and gone. Should I reduce these bets? I mean, we're on turbo mode. It's going pretty fast. Oh, actually, I have to stop. The reason why I had to stop was because my bet amount had gone. We got so lucky that my bet amount had gone down to 25 cents. I've made $111. Yes, we got lucky, hence why we had to stop. But $111 in what? 3 minutes? So I'm not going to play the 800 spins just because we got extra lucky. I'm going to call it a day and say, yeah, I'll take my luck. $111, super fast. Don't disregard the D'Alembert system. Very powerful. Even if we were on the unlucky side, we could still make money with this. Obviously, if you get on the super unlucky side, you're not going to make money. Let me know what you think of the D'Alembert system. Go check out Dice, 1% house edge, fantastic game to play, and I'll see you in the next video.